Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to check your battery level on this laptop. To do it, click on the battery icon on your status bar, and here you'll see the battery level of your laptop. And if you click on this icon right here, you'll be also able to see the level of your battery and see some additional information. Like for me, it's that my charger is slow and I should use a higher watt charger, but you can also see information like time remaining until your battery is fully charged or fully discharged, depending whether your charging cable is plugged in or out. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.